Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode from Busteni, the beautiful mountain resort that comes after Azuga. When you get here, it's like the whole mountain side opens up to you. No matter with what you would go, by car or by train. I remember when I was in my college years, I got into the train to Constanza back then, and in the enclosure, in the compartment, I was with a couple from the United States, and they were from Seattle, Washington. Hopefully I'm saying correctly, but yeah, they were from there, from the States, Seattle, Washington. So from the I hope I get it right, from the West Coast, if I'm correct. And they told me their son is passionate or has a hobby, loves to go on the mountain, to go on mountain hikes, and he was really into climbing. But when they and in Seattle, Washington, I mean, they truly have some impressive mountains there. But when they saw this one, Karaiman, from Busteni, they were simply amazed. But despite the many cars you can see everywhere, so it's really good business to be here. The traffic is very okay. It's really fluid, and from here on it will only get better. I am really amazed. And what I told you, these slowdowns happen only when the pedestrian cross the streets. That's it. When this will be solved, I mean, it will be a lot better, but I doubt it will be soon.
În 4,4 km. Continuă tot înainte 1900.
Here on the right, as we exit Busteni, there is a really quiet and beautiful park, this one, and I remember it with great happiness and inner peace. It is quite beautiful just to stop for a second. If you drove a lot, and just enjoy it for 5 minutes. So now we left Busteni behind us. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, and I will see you in Sinaia. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.